Hello, I'm Mustafa Sezai Erdem, and I'm a freshman student in Electric and Electronical Engineering department in Bilkent University. I am going to represent my Physics 101 lab project. My experiment is about finding the length of a chord from the sine of the angle of inclination and the period. Firstly, the length of the cord was measured. Then I positioned the cubes beneath the adjustment screws and attached one end of the cord to the puck and the other to the aluminum airhead support. I pressed the pedal to make the surface frictionless. Then the puck was released from its initial position and I measured the period with the chronometer on the phone. After placing another side of the cube under the air table, we repeated the experiment. I used the formula for the period of a simple pendulum with a minor change so that it would be applicable to a pendulum in an inclined surface. From that equation, we can make a formula to find the length of the chord. I plotted my graph based on this equation so that the length of the chord would be equal to the slope of the graph. There was a 2.2% error rate between the measured and the calculated length of the chord. The error percentage was low because I had the experiment in the air table, which provides a frictionless surface. If the start and end of a period can be measured more precisely, the error rate of the experiment would reduce. Based on the data, we can observe the inverse proportional relationship between the sine of the angle and the period. The experiment also shows that the length of the chord depends on the sine of the angle of inclination and the square of the period.